नया हैरियर है और इसे जैसे दिखाया गया है कि ये ऑफ रोड कैपेबिलिटी दिखाया गया है, तो ये ऐसा है। वायरलेस का डिस्प्ले है। दिस इज क्या है? टाटा हैरियर ईवी QW डुअल मोटर। ओके, ये है टाटा सफारी है। सारा ईवी बेस्ड है इस बार। इंडिया ओनली 5 स्टार रेटेड SUV, सेफेस्ट देन। ओके, इसमें काफ़ी सारे साइड एयरबैग्स भी दिया हुआ है और ये टाटा इसमें एयरबैग्स दिया हुआ है और ये रियर सेक्शन है। वाव, ये है टाटा का नया 1.5 टर्बोचार्ज गैसोलीन डायरेक्ट इंजेक्शन इंजन। अच्छा, आप तो DI का
challenge where you input your energy to a good use. So let's see how hard you pedal the light glows. You have to do the tree. This is all about the Tata EV Zone. So we have two individuals. First is Mr. Shubham. Be here, Shubham.
ये 1.2 नेचुरली एस्पिरेटेड फ्लेक्स फ्यूल इंजन है। ये टर्बो चार्ज है, एक टर्बो चार्ज है, नेचुरली एस्पिरेटेड।
So we'll call you one by one. I request you to please be there. Apart from that, we have a bit faster actually bust the myths about the electric vehicles which people have. So I want everybody to take a 360 tour of the Tata Pavilion. We are here at the Functional Zone. Be here as well. Call you one by one. The first challenge we have. You have to put your energy to a good use. The harder you pedal, the light glows.
EV version.
You have to blow the tree right here. Because as we embark on a journey of future with sustainability, we want everyone to be here and let's get this started. Let me just sit on a bicycle. I'll tell you when to start.
ये क्या है? टाटा का EV पंच EV क्या? पंच
So people, are you ready? Among everyone, are you ready? Let's do this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's do this. The harder you pedal, the lighter glows. You can see that it's happening, yes? Crazy, crazy, little harder. Come on, put your energy to a good use. Let's light up the tree. Whoa! It's happening, come on, let's see who wins. Around tickling like a tree, yes! Whoa! Timer! The time is up! So, you know what was the drill? What was the drill? We just did 20 seconds. Just make it a little slow. Right? So here, nobody wins. Let's see who's the next people. So, you both are going? Okay, come here. You can be here, you can go there. You have already registered yourself?
कुछ कंपटीशन चल रहा है यहाँ पर।
Get yourself registered.
Okay. Anyone can
participating? Okay, who will be going against her? Are you sure? We truly believe in women empowerment. Are you sure? Come here, come on. So let's do this. He's registering himself. I think you need to get where there are lots of myths. Here you can get the right answer. This is a screen. And whosoever wants to participate can be here. इसको लगता है कि उसको myth bust करना आता है. You can be here.
I think some kind of myth
So let's
चल रहा है
bust some myths.
related.
Who is going to be here? You want to check your accuracy? It's a screen.
That's
You have to put your knowledge to the test. So you have to enter from that side. Enter from that side. Are you people ready? Okay. So the next challenges are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's do this. इनको तो पहले ही हो गए. क्या बात है? He went first. I don't know how he went first. We can restart, of course. Request everyone, please go and have a look at the
Tata
India
Nexon
station
dark
as
edition.
well.
Tata Nexon red.
Everybody ready?
This is CNG वाला है. ये है
Ready? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's start. It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Congratulations. Here we have the winner. So,
टाटा प्राइमा एक्स
everyone who is going to
25
be
का
next?
शिफ्ट.
I want you to
अच्छा ये तो योद्धा को घर बनाने के लिए.
Yes.
अच्छा वो LNG को ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए है क्या ऊपर इतना बड़ा टैंक दिया है. प्राइमा ये है.
So, please register yourself.
ओके
So, request everyone, I hope you all have job with the transfer way. And that's something we have to come sure. So, this is all about connecting aspirations.
3-speed auto shift ADAS enabled fleet. फर्स्ट टाइम मैं ट्रक में ADAS देख रहा हूँ.
Where we have displayed a new launch vehicles on the stage. We have
और हाँ
the keys, the rough. We have the fire. And the second one, we have look. We have the body coordination for the adventurers who are ready to conquer the challenge. I request everyone to please go and have a look at the body coordination, which is based on the national park. We have Americana.
टाटा प्राइमा ADAS लेवल 2 ट्रक. वाह ये ADAS लेवल 2 ट्रक है. सो टाटा की तरफ से टाटा द न्यू EV बस EV9 फ्रॉम टाटा. आई थिंक ये शहर के अंदर होना है ना मिनी ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए. इंटरसिटी हो गया. तो ये इंटरसिटी प्लस होगा क्या ये? अच्छा मैग्ना कोच. ये वॉशरूम के लिए है क्या? लग तो रहा है.
So it's Sunday and I know
टाटा कमर्शियल व्हीकल डिवीजन.
we have so as give you the
हाँ अच्छा दिस इज स्लीपर प्लस नॉर्मल सीटिंग टाटा मैग्ना कोच फॉर लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस.
Thank you so much. So now everyone who is coming up next to Bell Light Up Challenge. Come here, yes. So everyone, apart from that, we have Tata EV charging stations, the exact charging stations. You can see that these are the Tata EV charging stations and how it looks like. We have displayed it for you. You can get it from here, you can have it will you come here and get the features and how Aira helps you. So I personally follow the features, or Aira, or Article Media, Receiver, or Team here to assist you.
Punch EV.
Have you registered yourself? Done?
टाटा का न्यू कॉम्पैक्ट EV पंच.
Ready? Turn. So let's start. 3, 2, 1, go! Let's start this. He's doing
CNG वर्जन भी है,
slow.
EV वर्जन
He's
भी है
slow.
और
He's a little slow. Slow. He's getting the drill. He's getting that. It's almost there. So we're gonna do it one more time to really.
okay. This is the new one,
One
bioethanol.
more time.
I think ये bioethanol है तो
So everyone, you can see that we have displayed
Sustainability.
here. Which car is this? I'm gonna ask you something. Which car is that? This is Punch.ev, and this is India's safest car with highest 5-star BNCAP rating.
Concept.
How many of you know what is BNCAP rating? क्या बात है इसमें? क्या बात है? It's Bharat NCAP rating, unparalleled efficiency and exhilarating performance. You can see that is the new Punch.ev. So how many of you own Tata Motor vehicle? How many of you have? Oh no, तभी पता है आपको. How many of you have also Tata Motor vehicle? That's so good to see. I think you should go and download the Aira app. That is the intelligent real-time assist application. The team is there to assist you. If you want to come inside to take a look, you can be here. वैसे किसी को भी अगर अंदर आके हमारे एक्सेसरीज या हमारे मेरे पास गेम खेलना है, you can come. You want to come inside and have a look? You can go from that side and you can take a 360 degree.
हाँ
Yes.
हम लोग रिकॉर्ड हो रहे हैं.
Ready?
फोटो खींचवाओ ना.
So, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's start. Put your energy to a good use. Let's do this. It's almost neck to neck. I can see that. Oh. Now it's going to be come up next. So everybody, if you want to know about the car, you can come here. Are most welcome. If somebody wants to play a game, they can also be there. First two people. Is already there? So अगर आपको गाड़ी के बारे में जानना है या फिर want to take a 360 round of that Tata EV zone, you can most welcome. अगर आप में से किसी को 360 round जिनको games खेलना है, they can be here. जिनको those who want to get some knowledge about the cars, the newly displayed car, this is Punch.ev. Impressive range and performance. You can be here. You can come and take the look and the feel experience of Punch.ev.
टाटा हैरियर EV.
For the newly displayed and newly launched cars of Tata Motor, you can be here at the stage.
Sierra
We have the newly launched vehicle, the Sierra, on the stage. So I request you to please go and have a look. Ready? Okay, I'll give you the time. I'll give the time to action. Ready? So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Let's do this. Go ahead, go ahead.
सियरा जो पुराना सियरा गाड़ी.
Go ahead. So easy, huh? So easy. So we have a prize for you. This is for you, Apki Baat Chilka from Tata Motors. So everyone, now we have to go to the next game, and that is a myth bust. आप में से कितने लोगों को ये लगता है that you know more about electric vehicles?
पुराना वाला ना.
आपको लगता है कि you know about electric vehicles? If you think that you have more knowledge about electric vehicles, I have a question for you. So come on. So everybody, let's start the busting myths. So everyone who want to come up next, do you think that you can outsmart? जो गलत है. Hybrid vehicles feature smaller powertrains combining a compact internal combustion. What type of EV charging connector is commonly used for fast charging in India? What type of EV charging connector? आपको गलत आंसर्स हटाने हैं. The fact CCS2 protocol बहुत लोगों charging point है, the EV charging point in every 100 kilometers.
ओल्ड वर्जन है.
Which of the following is the mode of charging for Tata EV? कौन सा mode of charging है
कलर तो काफी
for
अच्छा
Tata EVs? DC fast charging, AC fast charging, all of the above. You will 15 ampere socket. Over 90% of Tata EV customers charge their vehicles at home. घर पे ही charge कर लेते हैं. So let's see what is your accuracy. Oh, congratulations! You won an EV Mythbuster champion. We're delighted to know that you are keen on being a part of the movement towards a sustainable future. आपकी accuracy है 60%. ये बस जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Come on everyone, इसके लिए. That's really nice. जिनकी भी accuracy 60 से ज़्यादा है, we'll give them a prize. पर अभी यहाँ पे 60 है, but still we'll give you a prize for starting up this game. Congratulations.
तुम लोग क्यों गए? Okay.
Sure, please.
Most of new features you can enjoy with IRR EV. Tata.
आप प्लीज इंस्ट्रक्शंस रीड कर लें. These are the instructions which are already displayed on the Mythbuster screen. Pass the myths by selecting the incorrect answer and earn points. आपको गलत जवाब सेलेक्ट करना, मतलब अगर आपको लगता है ये गलत है, जितने भी गलत आंसर्स हैं आपको उसको तुरंत सेलेक्ट करके उसको हटाना है. सिर्फ सही जवाब बचना चाहिए. Each correct answer earns you 10 points. हर सही जवाब पे आपको 10 points मिलेंगे. You have 90 seconds to burst as many myths as possible. आपको 90 seconds में सिर्फ 90 सेकंड आपके और myth burst करने दो. On the timer answer, the game ends. Ready sir? Let's begin. If you drive daily more than 60 km daily, how much money can you save on fuel cost over 5 years? गलत आंसर को हटाइए. इसमें से गलत आंसर क्या है? हटाइए उसे. क्लिक
नो
करिए.
सेविंग हटा देना है.
जो आपको लगता है गलत है उसको हटाइए. The EV charging on en route plan now, TataMotors.com will calculate your cost and carbon emission savings based on selected parameters. So next question आने वाला है आपको स्क्रीन पे. Which battery type has a higher charging cycle, better power capability and a longer lifespan?
LFP. गलत हटाना है.
Which battery type? आप भी आंसर कर सकते हैं. If you think that you are a master of myth busting, please tell us. Lithium iron phosphate LFP batteries are known for exceptional longevity, superior thermal stability, and higher charging cycles. So which type of vehicle has a more complex system?
Hybrid.
Complex system. कौन से vehicles type में ज़्यादा है? यहाँ पे पास में. Okay, सर आपने अपने हिसाब से गलत आंसर हटा दिए हैं, पर आपको मैं ये बता दूँ, यहाँ पे 1 या 2 से ज़्यादा भी गलत आंसर हो सकते हैं. Which of the following is the mode of charging for Tata EV? ये क्वेश्चन पहले वाले स्लाइड में आंसर दिया.
All of the above होता है ये सब चीज़ें.
When 90% of Tata EV customers charge their vehicles at home. बहुत सारे लोग जो Tata Motors EV vehicle ओन करते हैं, इसमें बहुत से mode of charging. सर आपने गलत अगर हटाया, सर आपने गलत हटा दिया. AC fast charging is the highest. Alternative current. India has over 10k DC fast chargers, that is direct current fast charging points. सर आपकी